Okay, now we see question 7. Find the particular solutions. So question 7 is about find the particular solution. So 7 we have y prime plus 4x equal to 0, and then y of 2 is equal to 3. Now we write this, y prime is equal to dy divided by dx, and then 4x move to the right hand side, we get minus 4x, right? And then we can move the dx to the right hand side, is minus 4x dx. Then we do the integration on both sides. Okay, so integration over y, then we have y squared divided by 2, and then we have minus 4x squared divided by 2 plus c. Okay, now so y squared is equal to 2, y squared divided by 2 is equal to 4 divided by 2, we get minus 2 x squared plus c. Now given the initial conditions here, then we can do a substitutions, y equal to 3 and x equal to 2 to find what is the c value. Okay, so we substitute here with y equal to 3. That means if we have 3 squared divided by 2, and this is equal to minus 2, so x is equal to 2. So 2 squared plus c. Okay, by solving these equations, we can find what is c value. So the c value is equal to 25 divided by 2. Okay, now substitute this c value into our integrations result, then we can find the particular solution. So the particular solutions is equal to y squared divided by 2 equal to minus 2x squared plus 25 divided by 2. So we can simplify this by multiply 2 on both sides, then we have minus 4x squared plus 25. So this is our particular solutions.